So hi all. Today I'm going to discuss the topics in controlling. First we will discuss about the maintain controlling area and after that how to maintain the number ranges for controlling documents. So what is controlling area? Controlling area is the highest level of organization for cost center accounting. Costs are allocated within the controlling area and operating concern is the highest level of reporting in profitability analysis. So controlling area is the highest level of organization for cost center accounting. Now we will see in SAP how we can maintain this controlling area. And the transaction code to maintain controlling area is OKKP. I will show you the path how we can go to controlling. Is the SPRO path. From there you can give controlling, general controlling, organization, and maintain controlling area. Okay, you can give maintain controlling area. Can give new entries. I'm giving the same company code as the controlling area ALLO. Controlling area equal to company code. Okay. So you can see here the details has already been filled from the company code. My chart of accounts, fiscal year variant, currency type, and here company code to controlling area. If I have to maintain, if I'm assigning more than one company code to the controlling area, you can cross company code, cost accounting. I'm taking only one company code, so I can give controlling area same as company code. And I have to maintain a cost under standard hierarchy. So I'm maintaining with the company code ALLO underscore CCTR. Okay. Now save this. You can see here standard hierarchy ALLO or CCTR is does not exist. Good system be created as a standard hierarchy. So we have to give yes. Okay, so the controlling area has been created. Now next we have to assign company code to the controlling area. You can see here assignment of company code. Select this, give new entry, and you have to just give the company code and press enter. You can see the company name all in one. Save that, and after that activate components in the controlling area. Which all things we want to activate in the controlling area, you have to do that. New entries. So to give fiscal year 2020 cost center, I will give component active. Order management, I will make component active. Commit management, I will make component active. And I will tick profit center accounting, projects, sales objects, cost objects. Okay. And I will save this. Okay. And now we will see how to maintain the number range in the controlling documents. Go back. Here you can see maintain number ranges for controlling documents. Our controlling area is ALLO. We cannot create one, so we have to copy. We will copy from, do one thing, I will copy from this to my controlling area, ALLO, copy. Okay, so it has been copied. So I think you understood this concept. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel for getting more video updates. Thank you.